गोंयांत दोतोर मेळना म्हूण हेर राज्यांतल्यान दोतोर मेळोवपा खातीर यत्न चालू आसात। ताचे खातीर जायराती दिल्यात, तरी लेगीत दोतोर मेळना म्हूण भलायकी खात्या मुखार व्हड समस्या उबी रावल्या, अशें भलायकी मंत्री ॲडव्होकेट फ्रांसीस डिसोझा हांणी सांगलां। उपलब्ध आशिल्ले दोतोर ग्रामीण वाठारांत वचपाक तयार नात। सरकारान ही समस्या सुटावी करपा खातीर दोतोरांक अतिरिक्त वेतन दिवपाची तयारी दवरल्या, अशें भलायकी मंत्र्यान सांगलां।
But if everybody prefers to go to the GMC, then we have a problem.
But what about the primary?
No doctor wants to work in the rural areas. All the doctors are from Margaon, Panji, Mapsa, Ponda.
So
These are the areas where from the doctors come.
Any plan to solve this problem?
We have recruited about 37 doctors now. We have taken 18 doctors on bond. So we are resolving these issues of shortage of doctors. I want to get as many doctors as possible. But I've taken 84 nurses, 37 doctors. One doctor I didn't give, there's no person under the freedom fighter category. And one I didn't get under the handicap category. There are two people who I didn't get.
मोरगांतले कुडींची कायदेशीर सोपस्कार पुराय करून वेळच्या वेळार विल्हेवाट लावपा खातीर आपणेन दक्षिण गोंयच्या पुलीस अधीक्षकाक सूचना केल्ल्याची माहिती भलायकी मंत्र्यान सुवातेर दिल्या। मडगांव अस्पिशियो हॉस्पिटलांत आशिल्ल्या रुग्णवाहिकेच्या समस्ये खातीर खासदार निधींतल्यान रुग्णवाहिका उपलब्ध करतले, अशें भलायकी मंत्र्यान मुखार सांगलां।
I have seen to it that old bodies, unclaimed bodies are disposed of. The bodies lying there for years together. Foreigners' bodies years together. We have to dispose the bodies. We cannot preserve them for years. That was a mistake of the police and the authorities. They allowed the bodies to be there for too long. But I have spoken to both my SPs and the IGP and my superintendents of the Hospicio and Asilo and GMC to see that we dispose of the bodies as fast as possible.
IDX खातीर मडगांवच्यान मंदार नायक।